Hi there, Nancy Reeves here. Nonprofits. I heard a donor once say to an audience of fundraisers, "Don't send me another mug." She went on to say, an invitation to the office to see what you're doing is far more persuasive to a donor. So they say, "I feel good about this gift." Interestingly, we received a mug in the mail from a nonprofit we gave $500 to at the end of last year. There was no note, nothing in the box, but a mug with the organization's name on it. I could only conclude we received the mug because of the $500 gift we made. We never received a personal thank you from anyone at this organization. It has been 6 months since we made the gift, and I'm not sure we'll make a gift again. This is a relatively small organization. They receive about $100,000 in gifts from individuals each year. This kind of response sends the message, you are not important to us. $500 is not a big deal. I checked the box to send you a mug because that's what we do with $500 gifts. Well, I'll say this, they are missing opportunities with people testing the waters in giving to their organization. Why would anyone give again to this organization with a response like this? There's a lack of appreciation. Donors are not valued. We weren't. So a lesson learned from this story is make your donors feel valued and appreciated. How do you do that? Write a personal note. At the very least, add a personal message at the bottom of your acknowledgement letter. Shoot a text message saying, "We received your gift and we are over the moon grateful for your support." Best of all, pick up the phone and say thank you. Whatever is appropriate for that donor, you know what to do. Make sure a thank you process is in place so your donors feel valued and appreciated. Be sure to check out other fundraising tips and strategies by signing up through the link here. See you next time. Bye for now.